I just came out to see, I don't know if you saw it yesterday, but I was trying to figure out where the sunshine was in my yard so I could do my hay bale garden. So I have it set up now, and I didn't plant it yet. I replanted my plants into bigger pots, and I'm gonna wait. So let's see if you can see. Oh, good morning, Maria. Hey. So I haven't. This is gonna be my attempt at straw-bale gardening. I made a bed of leaves to stop the weeds from coming up, and also to give me a place to put my my old leaves. And then I watched the sun yesterday, and I would like mark in the yard with branches where the sun was at different times of day. So that's why I have all these branches laying around. And as far as I can figure out, Linda, good morning. As far as I can figure out, the most sunshine is right here. So this is where I put it. I'm hoping for 6 hours of sunlight, but we'll see. The sun's about to come up. As you can see, I've got lots of big trees. Good morning. So really, the only place the sunshine comes is from directly on top. But I feel pretty proud, if you can see it, of my little square patch, rectangle patch of leaves with the bales on top. And you have to condition the straw bales. If anybody's done it before, let me know if you have helpful hints, because this is my first time. But you have to condition them and get them wet and put blood meal in them for a couple weeks. So they get really heavy. So I'm gonna wait to do that until today when I watch and see if the sun touches my plants. I have some things from Gardener's Outpost, some pepper plants, and some tomato and melon plants from my friend Kristen. And then I have some seeds that I could try. I don't know if it's too late. If anybody knows if it's too late or not to start seeds in South Carolina, let me know. But anyway, I'm gonna watch it throughout the day, and hopefully 6 hours of sunlight hits it. Otherwise, I'll scooch the bales around before I start conditioning them. But I hope you're all having a good day. Oh, the sun. Do you see the sun just starting to peep up? Hope you're having a good day. Hope you get to enjoy some sunshine. And that's my puppies. Bandit and Bo have been peeing on all of them. So I don't think there's any way to avoid that. Have a great day. I love you guys. Oh, and I'm using my rooster cup from Willow. Good morning. Somebody joined. I was saying I'm coming out to check on the progress of where the sun hits my hay bales. This is my backyard. It's pretty wild, but one of the good things, good morning, Kim. So my yard is pretty wild, partially because I only have one of those like literal lawn mowers with no motor, you know, like you push it. I have one of those, and when my yard gets too long, it doesn't really work anymore. But also, I kind of want it to be a little bit wild. And the bonus is I now have raspberries growing around my yard. So, you know, maybe I'll have like a hay bale chicken or raspberry wildflower type of situation. Thank you. Willow got me this cup for Christmas a couple years ago. So I love it. It's nice and big, and it makes me think of Willow every time I drink out of it. So this is it. If you're just joining, yes, this is Bandit. Let's see if you can see him there. Bandit, say hi. So yeah, so I'm leaving it a little bit wild. So I've got, I don't know what these are. I don't know, can you see those little flowers, little purple flowers? And they say dandelions are good for the bees. So I let them grow, and then after they're done, I don't know if this is like the right thing to do, but after they're done, I then pull them up and feed the leaves and everything to the chickens. So I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but it just seems like a good idea. So hopefully in a little while the sun will come up and I will find out that I've put the hay bales, the straw bales, in the right place. I'll show you one more thing before I go. This is, let's see, there we go. 3 different kinds of plants in here, and I'm gonna transplant them into the hay bales. So I put cardboard in between, and again, I don't know if it's a good idea, but it just seems like it is, so that the roots won't get tangled up with each other. So then, good morning, morale. So my idea is, if I put the cardboard in between, since I didn't have a bunch of smaller pots, can you see my cardboard? That the roots won't get stuck together. So then hopefully I'll be able to transplant them into the hay bales or the straw bales when they're ready. And hopefully that will all go well. And if anybody is just joining and you know, is it too late to plant seeds outside in South Carolina? Because I have some seeds. I have these plants started, but I might try some seeds as an experiment. So I hope y'all are having a good day. I hope you get to maybe get some things done and also enjoy a little bit of sunshine. And I will keep you updated on the progress of my sunshine in my yard. Love you guys. Cheers.